If you ever want to line up text, overlays, stickers, or elements perfectly in CapCut on Windows 11, the easiest way is to use guidelines. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make guidelines on CapCut step by step, how to turn on rulers, how to add horizontal and vertical guides, and how to move or delete them whenever you need. This is a super useful trick if you want cleaner edits, better alignment, and a more professional looking video. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut and video editing tips. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open CapCut on your Windows 11 PC and load the project you want to work on. Once your video is open, look for the player or preview window. This is the screen where you can see your video playback and check how everything looks while you edit. That's the area where we're going to enable the guides. Now, in the top right corner of that specific preview panel, click the More Options icon. Depending on your version of CapCut, it may look like 3 horizontal lines, a hamburger menu, or another small menu button. This menu gives you access to extra preview tools, including the guide and ruler settings. From the drop-down menu, look for Guides and Rulers and click it. This section controls the alignment tools inside the preview window. Once it opens, you'll see an option called Show Rulers. Turn that on if you want measurements to appear along the top and left edges of the preview. These rulers make it much easier to place your guides accurately and line up elements with precision. Now that the rulers are visible, you can create your own guidelines. To add a guide manually, click and drag from the top ruler downward if you want a horizontal line. If you want a vertical line, click and drag from the left ruler rightward. As you drag into the preview screen, CapCut will place the guide exactly where you drop it. This is really helpful when you're trying to center text, align multiple clips, or keep design elements in the same position across your video. If you want a faster option, you can also use the menu method. Go back to the Guides and Rulers menu and choose Add Horizontal Guide or Add Vertical Guide. This instantly places a guideline for you without needing to drag it manually. It's a great shortcut when you want quick placement and don't need to fine-tune it right away. Once your guides are on the screen, you can manage them very easily. If you want to reposition a guide, just click and drag the blue line to a new spot. That makes it simple to adjust your layout as your edit changes. If you only want to remove one guide, right-click on that specific line and choose Delete Guide. That deletes just the line you selected without affecting the others. And if you want to remove everything at once, open the Guides and Rulers menu again and select Clear Guides. This instantly removes all guidelines from the preview window, which is useful when you're done aligning everything and want a clean screen again. So that's how to make guidelines on CapCut in Windows 11, how to turn on rulers, how to add custom lines, and how to clear them when you're finished. It's a simple feature, but it can make a huge difference in the quality and precision of your edits. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and comment below if you want more Windows 11 editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.